guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my dorm. It is a triple sharing room and I share it with two of my roommates. So this side is obviously my side, which has a little bit of color going on. I love having soft toys on my bed. Right next to my bed we have this full length mirror, which is great for getting ready. Now moving on to my desk area, I have tried to keep this side positive and cute because that is what keeps me calm and patient. I spiced up this chair using cushions, and there you can see my everyday college bag which I've hung. On the walls there are these bulletin boards which I have made, and there is a video on this as well. I have decorated my table using these knickknacks. So I hung this cute bird nest which I bought from a local store. In this pink file holder I've kept all my journals, everyday journals, along with a gorilla pod. Right next to it I have my desk organizer which I got from a local market, and it's got all those miscellaneous things. So right next to it we have a Hello Kitty lamp. By now you have gotten to know that I love Hello Kitty. Then we have some real plants. Yes, these are real. Then we have a few of my other pretty looking books along with a small drawer, and that is pretty much my desk area. So I'm more of a maximalist rather than going with the minimalist culture. So coming back to my bed area, we have a lot of color going on. So this is where you spend most of your time in a dorm, so it has to be cozy, and I tried to keep it as cozy as possible. So here you see a dream catcher which was made by my ex-roommate, and then this plant is fake. Then we have a few pictures, a few family pictures which make me happy, and a few quotes. Then I have a little bit theme of color going on. Then we have this side table. So the main attraction of my room is my cupboard, which is having a lot of kawaii stuff, few cute quotations, motivating quotations, and I highly recommend this if you are staying in a dorm, because whenever you're feeling sad or lonely, you just go up to your cupboard and this is the first thing that you see before you get dressed. So yes, so we keep our cupboards locked, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what my cupboard looks like. I'm not going in depth, but you can see it. And yeah, I have a few sections divided because we don't have a lot of space in a dorm. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching my dorm, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.